I need to use my pink planet medallion. I really hope this transform button works. Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word. It's really hard to fly. How can Minnie and Manny do this?
Neşe, did you see the news? The power is off. None of the electronic devices turn on.
I know, Zuzu. I need to contact Minnie and Manny for their help. Wait for me right there with Zuzu, Yumak. I'll be back soon.
Be careful, Neşe.
It isn't working! The others do, but not the yellow button! I need to fly up a lot higher. I think it's working!
Neşe, can you see me now?
I sure can, Manny. I've been trying to reach you for hours.
Hear us well, Neşe. The world is in big trouble. We need your help and fast.
What's going on?
Shopalot sent a meteorite straight to your Earth.
Oh, is it going to hit us soon?
We have bigger problems than the meteorite hitting your Earth, Neşe.
What could be worse than that, huh?
It's the Shopalots. Their research robots are all inside this meteorite. Before they reached your world, they broke all the communication systems.
And if these robots explore the world, you may be invaded by the Shopalots.
But what exactly can I do?
We are on our way to Earth. We are coming to help. But you should catch the meteorite before we arrive.
Who, me? So wait, am I going into space?
We don't have much time left. Use the medallion. The green button will help you stop the meteorite.
To space! The meteorite is there. I need to stop it. It is way too fast for me. It's about to enter the Earth's atmosphere. I need to do something.
Neşe!
Minnie, Manny, I am so happy to see you guys. Help me out here, will ya?
We came right on time. Hang in there.
It's too hard.
We did it!
It stopped! The robots are gone!
They're gone? But how, though?
They are heading straight to your home planet!
We need to go stop them.
Minnie, Manny, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Manny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside your heart.
Minnie,